Hello my Scorpions, let's have a quick monthly reading for you. Let's try and find out how the month of November 25 will be for you, my love. Sweetie pies, if you're new to my channel, do like, share and subscribe to it. Do hit the bell icon so you get notified for any such interesting videos I keep uploading. And if you've been my regular viewer, thank you so much, my love, for being a part of Vibra to Live family. If you belong to my cusp signs, darlings, the reading is already out. This is for my zodiac babies. So let's bifurcate the reading into three parts. First to the 10th, 11th to the 20th, and then from the 21st to the 30th. Shall we begin? Angels and spirit guides. First 10 days, please. Let's do this. 2, 3. Okay. So we begin with Thunderbolt. Conditioning, totality, existence. Darlings, what is happening is you are getting influenced. Okay, you want to control people's lives, and this is exactly what universe is trying to say. Avoid doing that. I know it's like your birthday month. Oh, so a happy birthday for whoever's birthdays are lined up. But understand that the universe is trying to say this shake-up is happening because you are getting influenced. Either you are getting into a third party, or you are listening to somebody, or you feel that attraction, or your unwanted addictions are hampering you. The reason why it's happening is because you want to tell people what you are. But it seems that somebody is influencing you the way they want you to be. But ideally, universe is trying to tell you that understand you have your leadership quality. So if you do not do that, you are gonna get stressed up. Okay, so rather than complaining or rather than trying to prove your point, let your success do the needful. Remember, you are an amazing soul. You know what it takes. You know you have everything in you. Why are you allowing somebody else to do the needful? Again, Thunderbolt is trying to say that you need to be calm from within. So chanting mantras, deep breathing techniques are some of the ways where you can heal yourself from within. Now let's come to the mid 10 days. That would be from the 11th to the 20th. We have participation, success, fighting, sharing. Share your wisdom, whatever you want, whatever your creative side is, because success at the end of the day is embracing you. In the family, within the family, wherever you go, be it for work or for leisure, success will embrace you. You have good times. The only thing is you need to work on yourself. Darlings, the same story carries up because you feel you want to take the initiative and you want to take a pat on your back so that people appreciate you, and that's not happening. And probably there could be a possibility that you might end up taking decisions in a hush, like immediately, and that could backfire. So a part of you is saying a yes and a part of you is saying no. So first figure out, okay, gain clarity. Do not get into assumptions just because you want to, else it will backfire. Now let's come to the last 10 days. That would be from the 21st to the 30th. We begin with abundance, beautiful. We have politics, intensity, and rebel. Can you see you have two kings coming in your reading? So finance comes to you, you are in your power, but there is a possibility that you might get distracted because somebody is filling in the ears, or you're trying to be a people's pleaser because you know you have that thing in you. So wherever you go, success will come to you. But because your monkey mind is something that will tell you that I need to work, okay, I need to prove myself whatsoever, don't do that. Don't listen to anybody, just follow your gut feeling. It's what it's trying to say, and maybe you might get distracted, but do not get distracted at the end of the day. Okay, the more you share, the more beneficial it will be. Now let's ask your angels what guidance would they like to give you for this month. We have Perfect timing. So universe, your angels are trying to work behind the scenes. Everything will come to you at the given time. You need to have patience. Maybe that is what seems to be lacking in within you. Now let's come to your love read. Let's see what's coming up for you. Okay, let's take 2 and let's take this. We have love, coal, and we have twin flames halos. Love is in the air. So yes, unconditional love. Avoid being obsessed or addicted. The person, if the person is not getting in touch with you, probably they are twin flames are trying to teach you something, and yes, someone will confess their feelings towards you. You can do the needful as well. Okay, even if you're far off, they still think about you. So yeah, that's beautiful. So your love life seems interesting. Now let's come to what universe has in store for you. Angels and spirit guides. Let's take this. We have imprisonment. Imprisonment is not actually getting into the prison, but it is trying to say it's your thoughts. This is what it's trying to say. So avoid poverty consciousness, avoid getting into that thought process. Nothing is working in your favor. How do I go about it? Blah, blah, blah. Only you can help yourself. Okay. So how should I sum up this month? Everything comes to you at the divine time. Why? Because you have been working hard. Success, travel, emotional quotient, everything surrounds you. But you have a tendency to get influenced by other people for whatsoever reason. So avoid doing that. Your angels are working behind the scenes. They're telling you they will give it to you when the divine says it. At the matters of heart, love is in the air. Whatever the push and pull effect is happening between you and your partner, because you guys have a chemistry of twin flames. And yes, be receptive because somebody wants to confess their feelings towards you. Avoid getting imprisoned in your own thought processes because you're creating your own barricades. So that's all I have. Thank you so much for watching. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Take whatever resonates and leave the rest behind. Do hit the bell icon so you get notified for any such interesting videos I keep uploading. And I shall definitely see you soon. If this reading has resonated with you by any means, let me know in the comment section. But if you think it hasn't, no worries, my love. You don't have to take things to your heart. I shall see you soon in my next read. Have a wonderful month ahead, my love. Stay happy, stay blessed.